Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about a game-changing product that every car owner needs to have, the 10/15 meters dashcam cable extension cable line. This high-quality, brand-new cable is an essential accessory for your car's rear-view mirror driving recorder. Now, let me break down the features for you. This cable is specifically designed to support the rear-view mirror driving recorder with front and rear dual recording plus reversing mode. It has a 4-pin head with 2.5mm grade 4 headphone head, and comes with red and black wires to connect to the reversing light. This means you'll always have a clear and stable rear view while driving. But what sets this cable apart is its versatility. The 10M cable is perfect for vehicles with a 12V voltage, while the 15M cable is equipped with a voltage control chip to reduce 24V voltage to 12V. This ensures that the signal is transmitted seamlessly to the dash cam, providing you with a reliable and stable camera feed. Now, when it comes to choosing the right cable for your vehicle, it's important to consider the length and voltage. The 10M cable is suitable for household cars or small trucks with a 12V voltage, while the 15M cable is ideal for larger trucks with a 24V voltage. Choosing the wrong cable for your vehicle can result in damage to your dashcam motherboard in a distorted or blue screen image. So, make sure you select the appropriate cable for your car. In conclusion, the 10/15 meters dashcam cable extension cable line is a must-have for anyone who wants to ensure the safety and security of their vehicle. Don't compromise on the quality of your rear view recording. Invest in this reliable and high-quality cable today. So, what are you waiting for? Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this game-changing product. Trust me, you won't regret it. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more game-changing products and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.